Here's Johnny.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Just in the barn hanging out with the kids, enjoying a nice chewing session. We've been doing a lot around the farm. My gosh. Okay, Kevin, enough. Gotta get up. Okay, we've been doing a lot around the farm. We've been doing some dirt work. Cue the video. And we've also been doing, you know, some good old work on the hill, clearing that out. I'll cue the video of the goats putting in some work. It's absolutely insane. These goats are machines. They cleared out this whole area. This is my favorite part, right here. Let's go. Then also just hanging out. You know, we did the chicken coop. We're gonna be doing the fence down in the ditch. Once the dirt work's done, we're gonna finish that. The chickens are getting ginormous. Cue that video. Big they are. Come here, honey. Come here. Look at her. Pretty girl. Good girl. It's okay. All right, girls. Everyone back in. They're almost ready to go outside. I'd say just a little bit longer, about another month or so. I gotta wait until they're substantially bigger to let them out with the hens because they'll get beat up. Honey. Come here. Come here. Richie. Don't chew with your mouth open. But anyways, just fun old shenanigans around here. Not doing too much really. It's supposed to storm here tonight. I got all my chores done early, that way, you know, if the storm does come, we will be okay. As okay as we can be, I suppose. But yeah, that's really all I got going on here. It's just a quick little update video with everything that is going on. It's crazy. The emu eggs have a few more days, about 47 more days until they hatch. The chicken eggs hatch in about 7 days now, so it's getting pretty close. I just hope they're not roosters, because then you know what happens to the roosters. I already have way too many in chads. They will not share their ground with their kids, especially their kids. But yeah, anyways, I'll see you on the next one. Peace. I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side. PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide. To go meet some little farm animals. Oh. Perfect. Louie here is so scared. He's never seen the goats or the llamas. Louie, do you want to see the llamas? He must not be a cat person. Oh, come on, Gugu. Come on, Louie.